Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce using ketchup. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredients. Start with about 1.5 cups of your favorite ketchup. This forms the foundation of our delicious sauce. Next, prepare your spices, including 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, select a sweetener like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or a similar amount of molasses to balance the flavors. Now, let's combine these elements for a rich flavor profile. In a saucepan, mix your 1.5 cups of ketchup with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This adds a crucial tanginess. Stir in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or a similar amount of maple syrup to achieve that perfect sweet balance. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of garlic powder for a smoky, aromatic kick. Once all ingredients are combined, it's time to cook. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, stirring frequently to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a few drops of your favorite hot sauce for extra zing. After your barbecue sauce has reached its desired consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. This homemade sauce can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your next meal. It's perfect for ribs, chicken, or even as a dipping sauce. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your delicious, homemade barbecue sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.